This is the third episode of Shop My Wishlist series. As you guys have asked for, this is the Shop My Wishlist on Flipkart's Big Billion Sale as well as the Myntra Big Fashion Festival. What's up my Sage people? This is Ishang. Welcome back to the channel. Why I have meshed both these sales into one? Because there is so much overlap when it comes to the product suggestions or item suggestions from this wishlist. So I don't want to waste your time. All the items I mentioned in this video are applicable both for Flipkart and Myntra until and unless I specify otherwise. The first thing you have to target during the sale times is gonna be the footwear. And I have one item on top of my wish list this time, that is the Skechers D-Lite 3.0 sneakers. These are super crazy in terms of the color combination they have released. However, it is this sneaker in this black and white color contrast, bulky sneakers, and as you guys must be aware, the Skechers shoes are going to be super comfortable and it is priced at 6,000 rupees and there is no discount at all right now, even in Flipkart as well as the Myntra. However, during the sale times, if they offer at least 50% or 40% of the discount, it would make a great bargain considering the color combinations and the bulky sneaker trend right now. The second sneaker I would be going is the Adidas Ozweego TR sneakers. That is also one of my favorite sneakers. And the second sneaker I would go would be Adidas TR Ozweego sneaker. It is priced at 11,000 rupees. If you get 50 to 60%, this would be the best time to own Adidas original sneakers in particular. The other option would be either going for a Continental 80s or a Super Coats if you want much more of a classic kind of a sneakers. If you go for any other brands, make sure that you go for Nike Air Force. They have only two options available. Most of the times they don't keep them for sale during the sale times. In case if they are, I would highly recommend to go for those options. Now let's get into the category of accessories. Accessories in Flipkart and Myntra, you should not buy any of the chains or bracelets. The only accessories which you need to focus on would be watches. In Myntra or Flipkart, I would be going for Fossil watches in particular. Already they are discounted 40% right now. If you get something like 50 to 60% Fossil, Tommy, as well as Tissot watches, because Tissot watches, they are super highly priced. And I forgot, Calvin Klein watches as well. Calvin Klein and Tissot, generally they are priced very high at 25,000 and 30,000. If you get 40% off and if you have the enough budget to spare with, my suggestion would be go for that. And let's come to the budget option when it comes to watches. The first option would be the Casio vintage options. They start at a very fair price point at 1250 to 1300 and they go till 5000 to 10,000. But that 1200 to 1300 options, if you get them at 30% off, those are going to be the vintage classic options. The other brand option would be Roadster, Must and Harbor. If your price point is somewhere around 1500 to 2500, I would highly suggest to go for Daniel Klein. Now let's get into the third category, which are the shirts. The first and foremost option I would go this time would be Invictus, a brand named Invictus. They have this color block shirts. Not only the color block, in the color block they do have that different mismatch of patterns. They have these striped shirts with horizontal as well as vertical stripe merged into one shirt, and those are super cool. Zara have this kind of shirts listed at 2,800 rupees. These shirts actually in Flipkart and Myntra you can get them at 700 to 800 rupees. These are the best options. If I am you, I would be going for these shirts because these are the trend right now. And the other options you need to consider are the new arrivals from the specific brands such as Jack and Jones as well as the Celio and other different brands which you prefer. Make sure that you go for the new arrival. This is going to be pricey options in case if you want to up your style game by being on the trends. And if you are interested in specific pieces in the new arrivals, this is the best time to go. However, if you are considering the budget options along with the Invictus brand, there is the Highlander brand which I already reviewed on my channel. Those brand offers really great quality at the price points they offer. Normally only they are very fairly priced. During the normal sale times you can get them at 500 600. This time you can get it at crazy prices which you can apply the card discounts and other discounts on top of them. If you are tight on your budget, if you're a student, if you're a college going student, or if you're anyone who is super tight on the amount you need to spend for the clothes, this is the right time to invest in this brand because for a price point of 5,000 rupees, you will be literally buying all the shirts, t-shirts and trousers, complete set which you would need from this brand. And by the way, it is not sponsored. The other budget option when it comes to shirts, this season particularly the new arrivals, those are really good in terms of the stripes as well as the prints. That brand is Max. I do not have a great opinion before in terms of the design when it comes to this brand, but I am really surprised to see the designs and I already wishlisted few of them. I will make sure that all the links can be found in the description below. Moving on to the fourth category, which would be the trousers. I always rate Jack & Jones chinos to be one of the best, along with H&M chinos at an affordable price point of 1000 to 1500. However, below that, there is always Highlander chinos, which fit absolutely well along with Must and Harbour chinos. The advantage with both these brands would be the inseam length. The inseam length would be 29 to 31. So they come in a little cropped aspect. The other trousers which I wishlisted this time for this sale are from a brand called Mr. Bowered Bird. If you want a pleated trousers, if you are a fan of checkered or striped trousers with a little bit of stretch to it, this is the best brand you have to look up. This is actually a brand which is co-owned by both Myntra as well as Jabong. You guys already know that Jabong is not there anymore, so it's just a Myntra brand. They offer a really good quality, but they are little pricey to start with. During the sale time, you can get them somewhere at 1400 to 1500 price points, but the quality would be really great. And the other options I wishlisted, which may not serve the purpose for this season, always make sure that you shop off-season clothes. If you want to shop linen clothes, they will be heavily discounted during this sale as we are nearing the winter season. So this is the best time to own any linen jackets or any linen options in terms of the trousers. Moving on to the fifth category, which are the turtlenecks. My wishlisted options are from H&M to start with. They offer really good turtleneck pullovers in terms of the price points because they start at 999 and they offer till 3000 rupees. I wishlisted two turtlenecks which are priced at 999, which comes with the jersey kind of a material. Those are the t-shirt turtlenecks. However, if you want the cotton knit, they start at an affordable price point of 1500 and they may be discounted. I got two of them discounted already 15 or 20 days back for a price point of 750 rupees, which is crazy for a turtleneck cotton knit pullover. However, if you want the merino wool options, you can find in H&M till 3000 rupees. As I mentioned with the cotton knit, there is other brand called Indian Terrain, and I wishlisted a grey turtleneck from Indian Terrain as well as a maroon t-shirt jersey kind of a material turtleneck from Wrong. As usual, I will leave the links of them in the description. Category number 6, jackets. The first brand you should be going should be Jack & Jones denim jackets. If they are discounted, which most of the times they don't, the blue denim jacket as well as a green denim jacket, those are my first options to go. And second would be H&M. They have the denim jackets priced from 2500 to 4000 rupees. During the sale time, if you find them at 30 to 40% off, it would be a great investment. The other budget options, if I have to come for the denim jackets, would be Highlander. Highlander denim jacket, you can literally find them at 1000 rupees or 1100 rupees. The other best options when it comes to denim jackets would be Mango Man as well as Gap, but often they are too pricey. They often starts at a price point of 5000 rupees. So you have to consider that if you have the enough budget to spare with, you can always go for them. Moving on to the last option, which are the t-shirts. I'm not going to focus mainly on this because when it comes to the basics, at the budget price points, you always know that Roadster is one of the good brand, Roadster, Ether, and these brands, and Jockey, don't forget them. Please do check the reviews on my channel for these brands so that you can go accordingly. And so many of you guys like the Mango Man t-shirt from my Find Your Best White t-shirt. If you want those t-shirts, this is the best time to go. And coming to the printed t-shirt, there are multiple brand options, and personally I go for Jack & Jones because they do have multiple variety of prints. And also I mentioned earlier, the brand Max have great designs this year, so please do check them out as well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like the Shop My Wishlist on Flipkart Big Billion Sale as well as Myntra Big Fashion Festival. Please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it for me. See you guys next time.